Student, as I am discussing the basic part of the ICT. So in the ICT, what we find is that we have a general awareness towards the society, towards our working place. So what are the advantage we can get? Lot of advantage. You can write your own advantage also. There are some of the advantage. You can go through your book. In your book, point wise it has given, but better I will suggest you to write the advantages or disadvantages or comparison in a point wise. You give the name of a point, and based on this point you explain those points. Okay, like what is that first one? The complex topics which are complex that become easier to us. Do you, regarding to the just now I have said about the biology or science or chemistry or physics or maths, there are a lot of animations are there, a lot of pictures are there, like history. There are a lot of pictures are available there, so videos are there, presentations of the videos are there, which make us things very easier, that our imagination became much more easier. Next, what we find, image and videos which the teachers are providing to us. Those the images and videos which the teachers are providing to us. With that images and videos, we can get the particular structure in front of our eyes. We can visualize the fact. We can visualize the fact as when we are listening the audios also. That means that just now I am saying to you and I am showing you those points. That means those points are in front of your eyes and you are listening to me that what the points are, so it will remember in your head if you listen them very nicely, if you see the things very nicely. Next, what we find, practical demonstrations are there. Different type of practical demonstrations that I have shown you in the table making or mail merging or Excel, those the how to use the formulas in Excel, how to implement, how to do the sum, addition, multiplication and all, if condition, multiple if condition, all things I have shown you. So those are the things is your practical implementations, which is practical demonstrations. So at the time of teaching, what we find that there are the different type of interactive sessions, and you find it the things are very enjoyable because you are seeing it, you are seeing in front of your eyes how the thing is being done. Okay, so e-learning process is nowadays and is an one of the important and very important requirement of the particular days. Now, in the healthcare, in the part of healthcare, you can write about your own. In the path of healthcare, lot of research work is going on. Doctors, communication medias, they all are doing the different type of work. Like nowadays, we can find the doctor are doing a treatment. The patient is in one OT and doctor is in some other way, and just moving the hands. The operation is being conducted. That means how the operation is conducted, as the doctor is moving the hand, there is a robot and it helps to do that particular work what the doctors want to do. So these are the different type of way what we find it, like diagnosis also became much more easier. So all the pictures like CT scan, MRI and all different type of pictures can be get in front of you, all the reports in front of you, and treatment became easier for it. Okay, so ICT can be used for the healthcare department to give a different type of medicines. The different type, as we can see at this particular moment, the different scientists, then biotechnologians, they are working to find out the medicine for COVID-19. So those are the different type of things where we can find that there has a different type of tools to use for it and implement it. ICT also used in the healthcare system to get the new things, to refine the things and to form in a good quality. Next, what we can find, the hospitals, they are nowadays using the electronic systems, total electronic systems for their hospital. So as soon as they are using the total electronic system, means patients are getting much more care in that particular unit or section. So MRI, just now I have said about the MRI, CT scan, ultrasound, and etc. Digital X-ray, all these things, what we can find it that have been conducted in the hospital due to this development of ICT. Okay, you can also do the different type of search of the disease. That means your research work on it. You can talk to our doctors or the other areas, other field, other different countries through the internet system. Now, in the government sector, we can find nowadays one of the very common thing you can see it, that your guardians or your father are doing the return of their income tax. So, return of their income tax, where they nowadays not need to stand in a long line. From home only, they are doing the requirement, filling up the forms, and those the monies are being deducted from the account by the section. Okay.